Before using ZP1 smartphone gimbal for the first time, please fully charge the ZP1 smartphone gimbal. Connect the USB Type-C cable to the charging port for charging. When the battery level indicator is on, it indicates that the battery is charging. When all the battery level indicators are on, it indicates that the battery is full charged. Insert the mobile phone in the mobile phone holder. Keep the mobile phone's right side close to the 2S. Loosen the balanced adjustment knob. Adjust the adjustable arm left and right until the roll axis is balanced. Tighten the knob. Adjust the mobile phone holder until the mobile phone remains level. The mobile phone now is in the horizontal mode. Rotate the phone holder by 90 degrees. Place the mobile phone in the mobile phone holder. Hold the joint of the roll axis and the pen S. Move the mobile phone back and forth to keep it level. Place the ZP1 vertically and loosen the balance adjustment knob. Adjust the adjustable arm left and right until the roll axis is balanced. Adjust the mobile phone holder until it remains still. Tighten the knob. The mobile phone now is in the vertical mode.